Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Netflix streaming quality issues, quick tutorial step by step clearly. If you're experiencing low streaming quality on Netflix, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, check your internet connection speed. You can do this by running a speed test on your device. Netflix recommends a minimum speed of 25 megabits per second for HD streaming. If your speed is lower than this, it may be the cause of your streaming problems. Next, restart your modem and router. Unplug both devices, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug them back in. This can help refresh the connection and improve your streaming quality. Now, ensure that no other devices are using significant bandwidth. Close any background applications that might be consuming your internet. For best results, try to connect your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection than Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your router is within a reasonable distance from your device. Avoid physical obstructions, like walls and furniture, that can interfere with the signal. Next, adjust your Netflix playback settings. Open the Netflix app or website and go to your account settings. Select playback settings and choose a higher quality option if it's set to a lower one. You might also want to clear your browser's cache if you're streaming from a web browser. This can eliminate any temporary files that might be affecting playback. If you are using a smart TV or streaming device, consider updating its software. Check for updates in the settings menu of the device. An outdated app can lead to performance issues, including poor streaming quality. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider contacting your internet service provider. There may be issues on their end affecting your streaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Netflix streaming quality issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.